know that I wanted to be a race car driver actually grew on myself time by time, because at the beginning it's a game, you know, you just go there and play like you play football or some other sports. And then when you start to feel the competition, when you start to take care of it, so when you don't win, you go home angry. Then when you start to burn inside yourself, and then where this feeling, it keeps you going, and you cannot miss this feeling for a long time. So when you go home and you can't wait for next time to go on track, to be back on track, then it's where actually you know what you want to do. Well, I didn't have any poster in my wall, but actually Senna was for sure the one I grew up more, and after that obviously I had Michael Schumacher as hero. But I would say that I had a lot of people where I try to, when you're young, try to copy, try to understand how they do things. You check the helmet paint and try to understand how they do it. But for sure, you know, as a reference, definitely Senna. Yes, in long distance races is it physical? It is physical because it requires a lot of endurance training, and I like cycling and running, so I basically train just for endurance. Sometimes obviously you try to go up to increase the speed, the heart rate on uphill and so on, but definitely cycling is the place I spend most of the time when I'm home. Well, as you said, this is the third year together with K-PAX. We start only with Indianapolis, and then last year we were more involved with Spa and Indianapolis, and this year actually the full season here in Europe. I see the team is growing up a lot, especially with the collaboration with Lamborghini. With the new Huracan GT3 Evo 2, I think we have a strong package. My teammates are really strong, Frank and Sandy. They know the championship very well. They know how to behave, how to prepare the car. I think we will just need to see where we stand up in terms of performance against the other. But for sure the aim is to perform and win races and fighting for the championship.